On June 21st, 2025, officers in Fond du Lac County responded to reports of a vehicle flying through red lights at over 100 miles per hour, almost crashing into a family. But what started as reckless driving turned into a full-blown emergency when the suspect refused to stop. According to the caller, the driver nearly ran them off the road while speeding through Rosendale. Before any officer attempted to stop, radar caught the vehicle going 102 miles per hour in a 35 miles per hour zone. A deputy quickly caught up near Rolling Meadows Drive and activated lights and sirens. But the suspect just kept going. He wasn't trying to pull over. He was trying to escape.
That's enough.
The driver speeds into the city and heads straight toward Highway 41, weaving through traffic, passing on the shoulder, and even driving the wrong way. At one point, officers box him in, but the suspect slams on the gas and spins his tires, trying to break free. This wasn't just dangerous. It was reckless to the point of being deadly. The driver had zero regard for the safety of others. With innocent civilians stuck in the direct line of danger, officers had no choice but to force the car off the road. The suspect's vehicle is shoved into a ditch, ending the chase but not the chaos.
Hands up! Get hands up! Hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! You're gonna get bit with a dog! Put your
Even after crashing, the suspect continues to resist. Officers warn him they'll release the K9. He still won't comply.
hands up! South end. We've ran them multiple times. Get the f out of the car! Back up, back up, back up, back up.
I didn't copy. I heard something about Ram.
He's trying to ram him. South of end.
I'm calling, Blair.
When a suspect resists this aggressively, even after multiple warnings, officers are trained to escalate force proportionally. With a car chase, a failed pit maneuver, and continued resistance, using a taser here is within standard protocol.
If you're gonna get tased, turn the car off! I don't care! Turn the car off! Do it now! Turn the car off! Turn the car off!
A taser is deployed, and multiple officers work together to pull him out. As they do, the man starts yelling about his pacemaker, claiming it's going off. He screams, swears, and pleads, but he's finally taken into custody.
Steven! What are you doing today?
I have no idea.
Yeah.
I was headed to church, and then something took over me.
The devil took over you?
I swear to God.
Okay.
Oh my God.
The suspect, a 49-year-old Steven Juhas, makes a shocking claim. He says he was heading to church when something took over him, blaming the devil for his actions. Officers note his erratic behavior, but his driving alone already speaks volumes. This wasn't just a traffic violation. It was potentially fatal behavior. Juhas was formally charged with first-degree recklessly endangering safety, fleeing an officer, causing property damage, and resisting arrest. A judge set his cash bond at $50,000. Depending on the outcome, he could be facing serious prison time. This incident shows how quickly things can spiral from speeding to life-threatening danger, not just for officers, but for everyone on the road. The deputy's decision to disable the vehicle likely saved lives that day. And as for the suspect's excuse, "The devil made me do it" isn't going to hold up in court. If you were in that deputy's position, would you have risked ramming the suspect off the road to save lives, or waited longer? Did officers go too far, or was this the only option left? Let us know what you think in the comments.